In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Lovable Project to GitHub step by step. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take the code from your Lovable project, open the connected repository on GitHub, and grab a clean zip of your files for local use. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to both Lovable and GitHub and that you have access to the repository you plan to use. Start on your Lovable dashboard and open the project or website you want to get the code for. Take a moment to confirm the project is up to date. Save any recent changes and ensure everything builds or previews as expected. This helps guarantee the code that lands in your repository reflects your latest work. Once you're in the project view, you're ready to hand things off to GitHub. Look to the top right corner of the Lovable interface and click the GitHub logo. You should see your connected GitHub options. Select the repository you intend to use so Lovable can route you there. If your project is already connected, this will feel seamless. You'll simply choose the correct repository from the list. If you don't see it, double check that your Lovable project is linked to GitHub and that you have the right permissions. Picking the correct repository matters, especially if you work across personal and organization accounts. When the repository opens on GitHub, you'll land on its main page. Here, locate the green code button near the top of the file list. Clicking code reveals the different ways to get the project: HTTPS, SH, GitHub CLI, and a quick download option. For a simple, ready-to-open copy, you'll use the download option. Click Download Zip. GitHub will prepare a snapshot of the current branch and start the download automatically. Keep an eye on your browser's downloads to make sure it completes. The zip will include your project files exactly as they appear in that branch. If you need a different branch, switch branches in GitHub first, then repeat the same code and download zip actions so you get the right version. Once the download finishes, locate the zip file on your computer, extract it, and you're ready to browse the code in your editor. Remember, a zip is perfect for quick review or sharing a snapshot. If you plan to contribute changes back to the repository, consider cloning later so you can commit and push normally. That's it. Your Lovable project is exported, opened in GitHub, and saved locally as a zip. Congratulations on a clean, reliable handoff from Lovable to GitHub.